Wakeling. Strong running centre-forward play from Wakeling. Aswan Hisi couldn't quite take it in his stride, and that's going to be a penalty. Not much doubt about it. Referee had a great view, points to the spot straight away.
He was just a tad too late, I'm afraid, and I don't think the referee had any choice.
Jake Wakeling, centre forward for Leicester City, with a great opportunity to give the visitors the lead here at the Sports Village. He's up against Matti Kovar. Wakeling's had to wait quite a while. Wakeling ready, Wakeling, excellent save by Kovar. He didn't get hold of it properly. Kovar went the right way, and that's a real escape for United.
I think the way Leicester are setting up, it's very, very difficult for Matti Kovar to get anybody in the centre of the park.
Braybrook with the through ball, Wakeling scores. Jake Wakeling gives Leicester City the lead. That's the first goal of this PL2 campaign involving United. United 0, Leicester 1, Jake Wakeling. Let's say 20 minutes or so. Daly Campbell. United have done such good work in the second half. We don't want to undo it here. Daly Campbell, it's a great ball across. It is 2-0, and this time it's McAteer. And Leicester City have soaked up all of that Manchester United pressure, and a sucker punch. Casey McAteer, United 0, Leicester 2.
Yeah.
So they've had their moments, United. Be frustrated that they haven't found the net, really, particularly in this second half.
Yeah.
Leicester have disappeared, really, in the second half of an attacking force, and yet they've got the goal. McAteer.
That can be the frustrating thing about football at times. You don't always get what you deserve. And I'm not suggesting that United deserve to win this game, but they certainly, perhaps this second half, deserve to get something from it.
Williams with the ball in. Mellor! Hope for Manchester United. Damani Mellor with a fine finish. And with 8 minutes to go, Manchester United on the scoreboard. 2-1 now. Fernandes. Hugoworth. Fernandes continues his run. Fernandes, play on. Fernandes into the box. And again Fernandes. Driven towards goal. There's the equaliser. There is the equaliser right at the death from Charlie McNeil, showing a true goal scorer's touch. And you can't say they don't deserve it for a much improved second half. Manchester United level it up in stoppage time for 2-2.
Yeah, we knew that.